How to make your iPhone louder. Phonebulance.com. Hey guys, welcome back to Phonebulance, and in today's video we're trying to turn your iPhone speaker into a booming sound system. Well, not exactly. But if you're struggling to hear your iPhone as time goes on, you may not need to get your ears checked just yet. There are ways to get the most out of your tiny mobile boombox. But before we get started, I've got a little challenge for you that'll take just 5 seconds to complete. So here's the deal. You just leave a like on this video, smash that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell, and you'll get an email from a Nigerian prince who wants to give you $10 million. Go ahead, try it out. Sometimes you just want to take that call on speakerphone, or listen to that song hands-free, but the speaker volume just doesn't seem to cut it. What can we do to maximize the volume coming out of our favorite handset? Change your EQ settings. Changing your EQ settings is the easiest and most inexpensive way to make your phone sound louder. If you have absolutely no idea about technology, you're probably wondering, what's EQ? Well, it stands for equalization, and it's basically the way to control the balance of audio frequencies within an electronic signal. On iPhones, there's a section in Settings where you can adjust your EQ by opening Settings on your iPhone or iPad, scrolling down and tapping Music, followed by EQ under the Playback section. From here, change the default setting to Late Night. By changing the setting to Late Night, it enhances the quieter elements in the audio through a process called normalization, ultimately making the volume of your phone louder. Unfortunately, this feature only works on Apple's Music app, not on Spotify or YouTube. Change the max volume setting. A lot of people don't know this, but Apple actually sets a maximum volume limit. The idea of the limit is to protect the listener's ears. The setting is standard, so it's not perfect for everyone. This method is very simple too, and it will significantly enhance the volume on your phone. Simply open your settings, go to Music, find the volume limit, and slide it all the way to the right. Now your max volume will be much louder than before, so you can rock out all you want. Positioning your phone. These last two methods may work for some, but what if you really want to project the sounds coming from your phone? It's really not that hard. All you need is a bowl big enough that you can rest your phone upwards with the speakers in the bottom of it. This sounds weird. How does a bowl make the volume louder on your phone? Again, it's really quite a simple explanation. The curves in the bottom of the bowl catch and reflect the sound waves that would normally spread out horizontally, making the volume seem far louder. So if you're cleaning your room or cooking in the kitchen, you can put the bowl speaker in the middle of the room and make doing chores just that little more enjoyable. Another phone positioning hack involves simply placing it upside down. The speakers are placed on the rear underside and the volume projects upward in this position. It sounds like an obvious hack, but there's a noticeable volume change in flipping the phone. Homemade speaker. Making a homemade speaker may seem like a little too much effort, but it's actually really easy. All you need is a toilet roll, 2 paper or plastic cups, and scissors. All things you can easily find around the house. First of all, cut a slit in the toilet roll. Make sure the cut is just big enough for your phone to slide into. Then grab the cups you're using and cut a hole in each cup. Keep in mind the holes need to be big enough so the ends of the toilet roll can fit in. If you're a bit OCD and want it to be perfect, you can trace around the toilet roll onto the cups so you know exactly how big to cut the holes. Now push the cups onto the end of the toilet roll, and of course, make sure the slit in the roll is facing upwards. All that's left to do now is to put your phone in the toilet roll slit and sit back and listen to your music. Making a homemade speaker is great, but it'll only be a short-term fix. The sound will be louder than if your phone was upside down or in a bowl, but it definitely won't project the music loud enough for your neighbors to complain. If it's still not loud enough, consider investing in a small, portable Bluetooth speaker. Even cheap versions can give next door something to complain about. And that just about wraps things up for today. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Do you have any iPhone volume hacks that we missed in our guide? Let us know in the comments. And finally, please do us this one favor and please smash that like button. It'll really help our channel and it won't cost you a thing. Don't forget to tap subscribe before the next video rolls so we can keep bringing you awesome content just like this. See you next time.